and consult with the DPWH, ensuring full coordination and accountability for every undertaking. At masasabi ko po, walang ghost projects dito sa ating probinsya. However, some structures were damaged by recent climate disasters, so we immediately coordinated with our contractors, and they have committed to repairing those still covered by warranty. We continue to call for the inclusion of our LGUs in the decision-making, especially for the giving of the permits for national project planning, to ensure that we are part of the decision-making process. After all, we are the end users, and we must be able to ensure that every project is well constructed, every peso spent is transparent, every plan is inclusive, and every undertaking truly serves the Ilocano people. In the end, the true measure of Ilocos Norte's progress is the lives we uplift and the hopes we restore. Our greatest investment will always be our people. Every leader who serves, every citizen who perseveres, every social worker who cares, every farmer who feeds, every environmental steward who protects, every small business owner who innovates, every student who learns, every tourist guide who welcomes, every driver who delivers, every investor who builds, every artist who creates, and every health worker who heals, and every Ilocano who contributes to our beloved province. Until every Ilocano has the opportunity to build a better life for themselves, for their families, and for their community, our mission is not yet done.